When it comes to enhancing your home's security, comfort, and curb appeal, door installation plays a vital role. However, many homeowners in Melville make costly mistakes that lead to drafts, misaligned frames, or even structural damage. Understanding what to avoid can save you both time and money while ensuring your new door performs as it should. Choosing the wrong door type for the space. One of the most common mistakes is selecting a door that doesn't suit your home's architectural style or functional needs. For example, installing an interior-grade door for an exterior entrance might look fine initially, but it will quickly deteriorate when exposed to moisture and temperature fluctuations. Homeowners should consider Melville's local climate, humid summers and cold winters, and choose materials like fiberglass or insulated steel for exterior doors. These options resist warping, cracking, and energy loss better than traditional wood. Ignoring accurate measurements. Door installation requires precision. Even a small measurement error can cause major problems, including difficulty closing the door, gaps that let in drafts, or uneven frames. A common oversight is measuring only the door slab instead of the entire opening, including the frame, jamb, and threshold. Always double-check your measurements at 3 points, top, middle, and bottom, to ensure accuracy. If you're replacing an older door, consider that houses in Melville, especially older ones, may have shifted slightly over time, affecting alignment. Skipping the leveling and squaring process. Proper alignment is crucial for smooth operation. Many DIY installers skip checking whether the frame is level and plumb before securing it in place. This results in doors that stick, don't latch properly, or swing open on their own. Using a carpenter's level and shims during installation can correct small discrepancies. Don't rush this step. Even professional installers take extra time to make sure everything is square before tightening screws or applying sealant. Neglecting weatherproofing and insulation. Melville experiences diverse weather conditions, from damp coastal air to chilly winters. Failing to properly weatherproof a door is one of the biggest mistakes homeowners make. Without adequate caulking, insulation foam, or a weather strip seal, air leaks and water intrusion can compromise your home's energy efficiency. Always seal gaps between the frame and wall, and install a quality threshold sweep to block drafts. Proper insulation not only keeps your home comfortable but also reduces heating and cooling costs. Using the wrong hardware or fasteners. Not all screws and hinges are created equal. Using short or lightweight screws can cause the door to sag over time, especially if it's a heavy exterior door. Ensure that you're using long, corrosion-resistant screws that anchor securely into the framing studs. Stainless steel or galvanized fasteners are ideal for Melville's humid conditions, as they prevent rust and ensure long-term durability. Additionally, use hinges that can handle the door's weight in daily use. Overlooking the importance of proper sealing and finishing. Even high-quality doors can fail prematurely if not properly sealed or finished. Wooden doors, in particular, require a weather-resistant finish to prevent moisture absorption and warping. Many homeowners skip sealing the top and bottom edges, areas most vulnerable to water infiltration. Apply a protective sealant or paint to all sides of the door, including hidden edges, to ensure complete protection. De-installation without professional help while installing a door might seem straightforward. Small missteps can lead to significant long-term issues. A poorly installed door can cause air leaks, security weaknesses, and structural strain on the frame. Hiring a professional installer in Melville ensures that the job is done right the first time. Professionals not only bring the right tools and expertise but can also identify underlying issues such as rotted framing or improper insulation that homeowners might overlook. Conclusion: invest in quality and precision. Avoiding these common door installation mistakes can make a world of difference in how your door performs and how long it lasts. From choosing the right materials to ensuring precise measurements and proper sealing, every detail counts. Homeowners in Melville should prioritize professional installation or, at the very least, follow best practices for alignment, weatherproofing, and hardware selection. A well-installed door not only enhances your home's appearance but also improves energy efficiency, comfort, and security for years to come.